Alright guys, we're actually in Summerville, South Carolina, about to take a cruise out of Charleston, South Carolina, and we're staying at the Avid Hotel. This is our first. Alright, well, I said it's not the biggest room, but it's definitely, the space is nice here. It's got a more modern design. I said it's a little small fridge, little sitting area here. We usually get the two queen beds whenever we go out because it's just better for us. But you can see they do have USB chargers. They have here USB chargers and here as well. A nightstand. Each one of these is separate. Little switch. They had plenty of large pillows, not the little small ones you usually see at some of the places. Beds were nice and soft. It was very clean. I do like this little desk area. It was nice. And the big TV is also nice, even though we didn't use it. So another little sitting area. Little coat rack here. Like I said, it's not the biggest room, but it's laid out well, and it was definitely good for us. Reasonably priced. Like I said, with the more modern look. Pretty nice bright vanity light here in the mirror. It's a nice touch too. I said, the shower as well. All your shampoos and conditioners, everything you need. It's glass doors, everything's nice and clean. That's usually what we're looking for when we come into a hotel. We just want a clean one. That's all. So, yeah, definitely nice. So it was Avid. We have never heard of them before, but very reasonable and clean.